What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I will drop the top 5 AI tools to help you make money fast in 2025. Whether you want to side hustle, build a business, or just rake in some serious cash, these AI powerhouses have got you covered. Let's go! Alright, number 1. ChatGPT and AI writing tools. These bad boys crank out content, ads, emails, and even ebooks in minutes. Imagine making dollars just by typing. Freelance gigs, blogs, marketing, you name it. If you want to hustle smart, this is your secret weapon. Number 2. Midjourney. No art skills? No problem. This AI generates mind-blowing artwork and designs at lightning speed. Sell logos, social media graphics, or cool digital art, and watch the cash flow. Creativity meets cash flow. It's that simple. Number 3. Jasper AI. This is like having a full marketing team inside your laptop. Ads, emails, social posts, Jasper pumps them out fast and with style. Businesses pay top dollar for this, and you can cash in big by offering these killer marketing services. Number 4. Runway ML. Video content is king in 2025, and Runway makes editing a breeze. Remove backgrounds, add cool effects, and create pro videos in no time. Perfect for selling your video editing skills or building your viral content empire. And last but not least, Synthesia. Create videos with AI avatars that talk and present without you even showing up on camera. Perfect for courses, promos, or explainer videos. It's the future of video content and a goldmine for earning passive income. There you have it. The top 5 AI tools to make money fast in 2025. These tools are straight fire and ready to turbocharge your income. Which one are you jumping on first? Drop a comment below. Stay ahead with the latest advancement in technology and innovation. Visit our website to learn more, and don't forget to like, share this video, and subscribe for our latest updates.